We're in trances, going off to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances? Empty-handed. You like the fast life, you like to drive and get down and dirty, act like the bad guy.
Guys, so I just remembered I hadn't even done an intro, but welcome back to my channel. Happy New Year to everyone. Thank you for the support for the last year. I'm really so grateful. So I just came out, it's on a fast, just brought the kids to a place for a picnic. I wasn't even able to cook because I was not feeling like cooking on this day, so I decided to get some things from the supermarket, and we've just had some fun. We've eaten. Yeah, we just want to walk around. The place is beautiful. It's so beautiful. If you just want to go to a serene place, a quiet place with your family, you can carry anything for the games, but they have various games. They have archery. I heard they have a zip line. Zip liner, is that what they call it? But I'm going to check. Yeah, I'm going to check and see if they have. Hopefully I can do it, because I don't know if my clothes, so I don't know if this place, the clothes I'm wearing are favorable for whatever I want to do, but I'll just check first to see whether they really have those games. Yeah, but the place is beautiful. I really don't want to go out of this place. It's so green. It's oh my goodness. You see those ostriches there? inatafuta food. Kwani inapatiwa nini kweli?
It's not my fault. You've been lying, saying that I took away your peace. Drowning by yourself, now you wanna blame me. Like you have no options. I ain't take your options. Now I'm not the problem. Man, that's on you, yeah. You've been terrorizing me, yeah, I'm always wrong. I knew you lost your mind when you dropped that bomb. Girl, are you crazy? Yeah, you must be crazy. I've been thinking lately it's you. You stole your peace, put it on me, but baby, it's you. Lying like a rat, but take your stuff back, baby, it's you. Whatever, and I would never. Yeah. You've been flexing everywhere. Girl, look in the mirror. Man, you so dirty. Yeah, you look so dirty. You were never worthy. Lately, it's you. You stole your peace, put it on me. But baby, it's you. Lying like a rat, but take your stuff back. Baby, it's you. Control the weather, then every day would rain on your parade. Shine you can't chase, yeah. If I was Father Time, then I would change the day. So I never saw your face.
I honestly don't want to cook. I don't feel like cooking. I just came in, but I figured out, let me fix something that is just quick. So, these are some of the things I just got from Carrefour. I got these lentils. For my salads. And also got this side as well. And also, I got 2 of them. I got some eggs. These are sort of for the kids. And I got some wraps because that is what I want to make for dinner. We ate, but I know the kids are hungry already, but I don't want to stress myself with cooking. I'm so tired. It's around 10 in the night, 10 p.m. So I got these tortilla wraps. I love them. Apart from making my own tortilla wraps, I decided to just get these ones so that I can fix something real quick. I also got the rice paper. It's my first time getting them. I want to try them. I see this mostly on Chinese videos and I think Indian or Korean. So I want to try the rice peppers for the first time. I also got chicken breasts. I can't do wraps minus chicken breast, so I got some chicken breast and some baby spinach, which I'm not planning to use now. So I'll put this baby spinach away. Yeah, so I'll cut this into smaller pieces, marinate it, let it sit as I shower, and then we shall do the rest. When I came in, the first thing I decided to do is cook the beans that I had soaked and also boil the milk that I just bought for tomorrow's breakfast. My babies love wraps a lot. Lately, I've noticed that they love wraps a lot. So whenever I feel tired, I think that is something that I can go for and fix for them. So my marinade for today is just salt, because you have to season your food, and then I have some turmeric, quarter teaspoonful. I never measure and I don't go extreme. So this is paprika. I always use like a table spoon full, and then here is cumin seeds. So these are the spices for today, and some oil. I ran out of oil. I got some emergency. So I'll mix this well. Give it a good mix. Honestly, the chicken breast don't taste so good when you don't get to marinate them. I'll let them sit for some few minutes. Let's say 10 to 20. I don't know how long I'm going to take in the shower, but I'll definitely cook them after. So I'm not covering them. Just put them aside. Put this aside. So I'm using this lentils, the other one that had something on the bottom, and then as for the topping, or what can I call it, or the base, I'm going to use mayo and some natural yogurt. So I'm going to be mixing the. Actually, I'm so tired. So I'm using some natural yogurt to mix with the mayo. Yeah, I tried mayo for the first time and my babies love the mayo, so I decided to always get it for them. So